What's going on, guys? Steve from Merc Films here, back in with another video. It's been a little bit since I did a vlog style video, but today we're gonna be working. Sorry, my GTR is gross. Hold on, can we get on camera? It's a dusty boy, right? I could write in it with my hand. It's dirty, so I'm sorry, but I don't want to wash it until I fix a few things. So today, what we're doing, we are going to be straight piping the 32. That's the main thing today. Also, there's a power steering leak. One of the hoses, it's not the high pressure line, thank goodness. It's just one of the rubber hoses. So I'm gonna try to fix that. What I'm just gonna do for that, I think I'm gonna just cut the end off. Hopefully there's enough slack to where I can just reconnect it. So the car before, when it was in Japan, it was straight piped already. But now, when the car came here, put plates on the car, we need to put it through a safety inspection. Although they don't do emissions here, when you do your safety inspection, they still look to see whether or not you have your cat. My car was straight pipe, they didn't pass it, I had to put the cat back on. When I did that, I reused the old gaskets because I didn't want to spend any money. No, I was going to put the straight pipe back on, but anyway, there's a nasty exhaust leak. It sounds horrible. I'll try to show you guys right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but basically all the sounds coming from underneath the transmission tunnel where the cat connects to the rest of the exhaust. But yeah, that's my dilemma. It's nasty exhaust leaks. It's pretty bad. So what we're going to be doing, let me go grab the test pipe real quick. So this is the test pipe, or cat delete straight pipe, whatever you want to call it, that used to be in my car. So we're going to be putting this back in to the car. The car doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound good. It just sounds like a dying tractor at idle. And so we're going to be fixing that today. So I do need to head to, I guess, AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever. Hopefully they have gaskets for this bad mamma jamma. We're going to head over there in just a moment, get those, and then when we come back, we will be getting to work on this car. All right, let's get going. And oh, that's not okay. Look how crusty it looks. That's not gonna fly. All right, we're washing it. All right, so car's mint. We can go now. We need to get like an exhaust, man. This thing sounds like a sewing machine. Wha-bam. They failed me. They did not have the right size exhaust gasket. They had a bunch, but so I might just order it or try to find another store. But for now, I want to head home and then I'm going to work on the power steering problemo. So I'm back at the house. So I was just going to order the exhaust gasket, but on Amazon it was going to take more than like 2 days. I ended up just going to Advanced Auto, or I went to AutoZone first. They didn't have anything, and then I went to Advanced Auto, which they only have one. But they said they'll have another one in the morning. Straight pipe part is going to be put on hold till tomorrow. It'll be in this video, but so for now, what we're going to do, we are going to get started on fixing my power steering leak. I need this to stop leaking so I can do autocross this weekend. So we're going to get to work on that. All right, so the bit that's leaking. So here's the power steering pump right here. There is a hose down in there. You can't really see it. It's you really can't see it. Yeah, that's the brightest it's gonna get. But it's like right here. I literally have to take the intercooler pipe right here off to get to it. So let's get started with that. Okay, so the hose I was talking about is this one right here. I think there's enough slack in there to be able to trim it. Maybe not though. The hose is pretty stiff, so just that hose right there. I think I can tighten it and it will fix my problem further up because the cracks are literally on the end of the hose, and so I think if I tighten it hard enough, it will mostly stop leaking. I think I might just have to take it to a shop and have them look at it because this is not fun. And I tried actually pulling it off and like checking. There's really no slack left, so I can't cut the end. So the leak is relatively slow, so I think I can still run just as long as I clean everything up. I want to go ahead and tighten the hose clamp. Hopefully that relatively negates the effect a little bit. Alright, so it's all back together. Oh wait, no, almost back together. Right now it's all back together. And like I said, the hose didn't have enough slack. If I chopped it, it wouldn't reach anymore. So basically I just tightened the clamp down. Hopefully that helps a little bit with the leak. I just need to like have the most minimal leak possible for this weekend. You can see down here, it's been leaking just a little bit. It's not a big leak. The car's been sitting for a little bit, so it might look worse down there than it is. I've checked the power steering fluid level. It was fine. It had barely gone down, so I think it's okay. So tomorrow when I go get the gasket and we do the straight pipe, I'm also going to take the skid plate off and we'll clean it up. It might just be, you know, like a small puddle in the skid plate. So I'm going to try to take that off. I'm going to try to clean it, and then hopefully this kind of mitigated the problem. In the next clip you'll see me putting the test pipe on, and we'll go from there. So here we go. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I already went and got the gaskets. When I originally went to get them, I just noticed that they were 3" and that that's my straight pipe diameter. And that's all I looked at. I did not look at whether the holes lined up with the straight pipe or not. So I just ended up drilling them out. Pretty ghetto, but it'll work. It is what it is. As long as it seals correctly, that's all I care about. I probably could have just ordered these on Amazon, but like I said, I tried that and it would take too long to get a gasket. I don't have Amazon Prime or anything like that. I don't feel like paying for 2 days. So I went out of my way and I still ended up probably overpaying for gaskets. I'm gonna go ahead now and jack up the car. Put it on jack stands, and then I'm going to get started. Alright, so now the car is jacked up. There you have it. There's my culprit. There's my cat that leaks through the gasket. So the reason it leaks so bad is if we go under the car, so you can move, there's a big giant gap. I can almost fit my finger in between. So we're gonna fix that. We're just gonna get rid of this altogether, because this big old, it's unnecessary. We don't need this. So I'm gonna go ahead and blast the bolts with some WD-40. Let it soak for a bit, and then I am gonna go ahead and get started. Yo, nothing like watching some Dr. Disrespect while working on the jitter. Bolts have been basking in the WD-40 for a minute. I think we should get cracking. Alright guys, so look at this bullshit. Right here. Can't see it. The bolt for this is literally in here and one right here. And there's like nowhere to fit a tool, so the cat is so big, it's just that difficult. The straight pipe was so much easier to deal with. Just I think we'll be in the clear once we actually get the cat off. Anyway, so after 35 minutes, I finally got the bolt. Anyway, so one more bolt, and then we should be good. Alright, so boom, out with the old. As you can see, the old gaskets are rusty, but we're putting in this test pipe, straight pipey boy. As you can see, much nicer. I'm not gonna film me putting that in. I actually stopped filming me taking this out because I've already have a straight piping my GTR video, so I'm not gonna re-record it. I'm sure you guys don't care about it. I'm sure you guys just want to hear it. So it's on. That straight pipey boy is on, nice and tight. I'm gonna give it a quick startup. Make sure there's no leak. I almost forgot though, before we completely lower it, I do need to take the skid plate off. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of a situation going on right here. I want to try to clean it up best as I can, so when it does start leaking again, I can like clearly look at it and see that it's leaking. And here's the skid plate. As y'all can see, Good amount of little duty on there. Underneath the car, round right about there. We got some residuals happening. So I got the skid plate back on. Everything's bolted up, cleaned up. So now I can lower it and then pull the car out. So much better with a straight pipe, but looking at the car, we can't really go out the way it's looking. Look how dirty this is. Look how dirty this is. There's a bunch of dust all over it. So I want to give the GTR a nice wash before we head out. Bam, there it is. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm gonna grab the GoPro. I would suction cup mount it by the exhaust, but I am gonna be driving on the highway. I don't want it to fly off. I wanna put it in inside the car with me. But hopefully, you know, we'll get some tunnel runs in there somewhere. Maybe you can get an idea what the straight pipe sounds like. I mean, if you've been to this channel before, you probably know what the straight pipe sounds like. I mean, it doesn't hurt to have more videos with a straight pipe GTR. Oh, I saw it. Alright, so that is it for the video for the most part. I would have done more pulls, but there's a lot of police peoples out there, and I didn't want to get in trouble. Yeah, I just kind of cruised after that. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's just a lot of me talking about doing stuff and then it's sort of getting done. Car straight piped. The power steering problem, it still leaks. There's an autocross this weekend. That's why I'm kind of like doing all this at once. But I wanted to get the car straight piped and have the power steering problem kind of looked at beforehand. Also, oh man, I forgot to mention, we got some meats, dude. These are Hankook Ventus RS4s. The size is 255, 40 17s. I've been running a Dunlop Dureza Z2 Star Specs for a couple of years now. And the set that I have on right now in the car, there's not much tread left. I'm gonna have those replaced with these guys before the autocross. It's been a while since I tried a new tire, so it'll be interesting to see how it does. Anyway, that's it for the video. I do hope you enjoyed. I do appreciate every single one of you coming by. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below as to what you thought about the video. If you got any input, let me know what you guys might want to see in the future. Didn't like the video, well, hit that dislike button and tell me why you didn't like it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe for more videos, man. I try to do a video a week or so, but I'm lazy sometimes. I'm sorry. Thanks for coming by. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.